Okay.
Hello guys, this is Kieran from Meepoboard. Long time no see. Today I wanted to do an unbox for the best racing board we ever built, Monsoon Legacy Raceboard. This board is mainly designed by Moy Stooge.
你开玩具做哦，你不要站起来就看不到你脸。
等会儿做，对，过程可能是没办法。Let's open the box. So we have like 10 customers already received this racing board. So it comes with accessory, and you will see the band for your foot, and a remote tool and a winch. Now we can see the board here. This is a complete board with wheels and battery, ESC, everything assembled already. Okay. It's super heavy. Oh, there's a charger here. 50 amp big charger, metal, with a metal housing. 50 amp charger, very safe. Okay, now we get the board. Okay, how can I show you guys? Let me do this. This band, either you're regular or goofy, you can still use this. We have holes for both. Let's use this battery case. Okay. So this is the board, the battery, gear drive, remote. One by one, step by step. The most important thing for this board is for racing. It's for you to experience the fastest e-skate experience, mostly on track. We bring this demo board to e-skate.com this year, and there are several riders tried them, and without any practice before, they already podium. That's amazing. You know, when you need to race with a board, you'd better ride it for half a year, 1 year, just to understand the feature and turning with it. But if you get a board out of the box and start racing at the podium, it means this board is set to be a very good specification that you can so easily get used to it. So this board is really awesome. And let's talk about the details. So here you can see the 3-link trucks is designed by Mo Stooge Raceboard, and we have been changing it over time. And the bushings are from Riptide Sports original. We bought them, they ship to China from California. So yeah, the 3-link trucks. And overall, there is an opinion I want to. I hope the whole e-skate community can really try understand. The issue is that we don't necessarily need 200 amps current to run a board. This board is only 90. It's only 90 amps current, but it has more than enough power to catch up any other racing board, and more than enough to really get you off the board when you go full throttle. So we are not going to go to the crazy lumber competition. We care about performance. If the power reaches the max grip of the tire, any more power is not necessary and you don't need it. You need to find the most grip your tire have, and then make sure they are all coordinate. This is a ESC with a sink and the charging port and the on and off switch here. Don't press. And this ESC is different. It's not linear. It's not hobby wing. But actually, you can think this right much better than hobby wing, because the engineer who resigned from hobby wing designed this ESC, and they have been upgrading over time. And these motors, they are bigger than the Meepo Hurricane ones. And this is the tubeless tires we have been using. And in the past, the tubeless tires had the air leak issue, and for after 1 year and more, we solved it finally. Now it's pretty reliable. And I wanted to talk more about the deck. Actually, we invested a lot of money to build the molds for the decks. Mo from Stogie Race designed this deck in the beginning, and then we took the board to ESCACon, and when we get back, we get a lot of feedbacks from riders, and they say it needs to be shorter. So we invested another molding to build this a little shorter, but you have the same stance, very aggressive sink here, and it's lowered. And this deck is maybe one of the most robust deck ever, because it's with more than double the carbon used on only carbon fiber deck. Because even Hurricane, we don't use so much carbon fiber in it, because this deck is much more heavy and it's all made of carbon. Low foam inside, it's like crazy. So many people even come to us saying, can I buy only the deck? And we say yes, because really we hope people who do race have a very reliable, robust deck that even you can run a truck, a car on it, it won't break. Trust us. Yeah. Another thing about the battery. So the battery today is a Molicel P45B 16S2P. That's the other issue I wanted to say. If you reach like 16S, which is 67 volts, that's enough. That's very high voltage already, enough to give you enough power to drive people of 200-300 pounds. So that's the voltage we commit in. And also you can very soon, in like 1 month or two, we will release a new version with a little bigger batteries. It will be 16S 3P P45 Molicel. That P45B Molicel cells are the best. They are not compatible. I mean, they are the best battery cells for e-skate. You can charge them pretty fast, and they maintain low temperature. Especially for racing, you need to charge it so fast, and you can use bigger charger than this, and yeah, you're all set. So also we build this like to protect the wiring, everything. At the ESCATecon, the wirelings, you can see it everywhere, but right now it's covered with this. And the gearbox is trustworthy. We have been using this for more than 2,000 boards already, and they are very reliable. So yeah, you can wait for the bigger batteries. And another thing I wanted to say about the 3-link tracks, most of the people believe it's only for racing, but actually if you don't mind the extra weight from the trucks, it's heavy. It's more heavy than any double kingpin, any truck, but it's more stable. Whether you are experienced or just a beginner, you always prefer this truck because it makes you to really relax riding, carving everything. Even for me, I'm an experienced rider, but if I need to go long distance, I may prefer this truck because it really makes me don't need to be so focused on the body weight shifting everything. You can just relax and feel sleepy, and still the truck will hold you there and be safe. Yeah, if you have any question, more things to know about this board, please leave a comment. Yeah, and I can't wait to see you guys get this board and race more. Yeah, so let me know. See you.